The TE300 Pro series is expertly assembled with the very best competition-focused technical accessories, all chosen for their performance-enhancing capabilities. The outstanding machine continues to offer all riders an unparalleled riding experience. The LED headlight provides a remarkably bright light output for excellent visibility at night and is particularly effective when riding through dense woodland. Soft compound ODI grips providing welcome comfort throughout the longest and toughest of days are the soft compound ODI grips. Map Select switch. By using the Map Select switch, the engine characteristics can be tailored to modify the power delivery according to rider preference or conditions. Fueltank. An 8.5-liter fuel tank integrates neatly with the ergonomic bodywork and features a robust rubber cushion beneath it to hold the tank in place and protect the frame from wear. Competition seat cover. A high grip cover with additional ribs is fitted over the familiar ergonomics of the standard seat foam and offers exceptional traction. Engine throttle body injection, TBI. The engine delivers impressive torque while maintaining its high revving two-stroke character to offer all riders a versatile power delivery. The TE300 Pro series features a 39mm throttle body with dual injectors positioning. The 72mm bore cylinder features an innovative electronic exhaust control system that manages the opening of the lateral exhaust ports after the main exhaust port opens for maximum power. The black anodized, CNC machined triple clamps offer premium quality as standard. Front suspension. The 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge forks are updated for 2025 with the addition of a high-speed compression adjuster. The lightweight WPX-ACT rear shock offers 300mm of travel, with rebound and both high and low-speed compression adjustable by hand. Frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame ensures straight-line stability at speed without sacrificing agility. The frame is finished with a premium white powder coating for a distinctive look that is unique to the Pro Series models. Made from 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium, the two-piece subframe ensures exceptional strength. Brakes. Husqvarna Factory Racing. The reliable Brembo hydraulic clutch and brake systems provide consistent, confidence-inspiring performance in all conditions. Galfer brake discs are fitted front and rear. The stopping power of the floating wave front disc, which is shielded by the disc protector. For continued braking performance, disc protectors are fitted front and rear. The SuperSprock Stealth sprocket features an aluminium center section to reduce unsprung weight while a ring of steel teeth ensures maximum durability. Making sure the machine glides over obstacles with ease is the polyamide skid plate. Factory Racing Wheel Set. The Factory Racing Wheel Set offers strength and stability when riding across technical terrain. The hubs are made from CNC machined aluminium and then anodized black before being laced to black Excel Takasago rims. Swing arm. The swing arm is manufactured using a die-cast production process for optimal rigidity. Exhaust tailored specifically for the TE300 Pro series using an innovative 3D design process. The exhaust pipe delivers unrivaled performance and is designed for maximum ground clearance. Bodywork. White and black bodywork is exclusive to the Pro Series model and features subtle graphics to create a distinctive look. For a long-lasting and scratch-resistant finish, the graphics are applied to the ergonomic bodywork using an in-mold process, which embeds the design beneath the surface of the plastic. Underneath the machine, an extended, polyamide skid plate protects the engine and linkage while the frame guards also provide exceptional grip in all conditions. Front and rear brake disc protectors prevent damage for continued braking performance.